So today we're going to be showing you guys a very easy solution to use Defeedback if you just need to rent this out for a microphone in a breakout room. It's going to be very crude the way we got it hooked up, but it actually works. So we're just taking the Focusrite Scarlet Solo. We're going into it to a 58. It could be a wireless microphone. It can literally be anything that will plug into an XLR that you can make noise with. If it happens to be a condenser, you have the 48 volt phantom power that's on this. The air button will let you hear the difference it makes. It's kind of an EQ thing that changes, gets you some more high frequency, could be useful. So then you got your main volume and you've got your gain. And we are coming directly out of the back of this little guy. It's one we built, so it's kind of hard to see. But we're coming out of line left and we are going into the input of this speaker. If you're using one of the ART 910AXs that we sell, it actually has another mixer so you can do some EQ and some DSP. But Defeedback is actually so incredible, you don't have to do it. So if you have people that are going to be screaming, we would set the gain first correctly so you can see that he's hitting hard. You'd make sure that we're not clipping out so you can back down. But we're going to show you just worst case scenario in a second when we turn it up. This will be our volume to the speaker. So we'll go ahead and start talking some.
Hey, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2.
And you can see
1, 2.
He's really
1,
far away
2.
from the mic.
1, 2.
And since we know he's going to be very far away from the mic, we can set that gain up a little bit, and you can even hear me coming through the speaker some.
1, 2. 1, 2.
And it's amplifying
1, 2.
him a lot.
Welcome, everybody. We're here for the show, and we're just going to talk about some stuff. Just to, you know, we're not even looking at the microphone. We're kind of looking around. We're kind of talking quieter.
If we hit our air button, you can get a little more high frequency.
1, 2. 1, 2. Check. 1, 2. Talking pretty quietly with the mic down here. You know, I'm not even looking. I'm looking straight ahead. Mic's down here. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Check, check. 1, 2. 1, 2. Check. 1, 2. Check. 1, 2. Check.
Lots of amplification with terrible mic technique. So super easy way to just hook this up, and you literally can hear me check 1, 2 through the speaker without feedback, which is so great. Now we're right at the edge, we'll be honest with that, but that's still just incredible how much volume you can get out of it.
Incredible.
And if somebody is talking correctly, I'll get back here.
One, 2. 1, 2. Check.
It can hurt.
1, 2.
It can get so loud. So please hit like and subscribe and let us know if you have any questions or what videos would help you. And speaking of the Focusrite Solos, if you guys need any more, here's 40 more in account to all the other ones we have. Yay.